The personality of a successful salesperson. I'm going to give you 10 characteristics of a successful sales personality so that you can be conscious of this personality and start to imbibe it in yourself. The first personality is, number one, they have a high level of self-confidence and self-esteem. Their self-confidence, their self-esteem is very high. In the previous videos, I've talked to you about how you can build your self-confidence and build your self-esteem. So if you do that, you would be able to exhibit this high level of self-confidence and self-esteem. Number two, they accept full responsibility for their results and look upon themselves as self-employed. This means a powerful sales personality looks at his or herself as owners of the business. They work like they own the company. There's a saying that if you've not helped another person grow his own business, your own will not be given to you. It doesn't say that if you've not helped, if you've not participated in another person's business. What it says is if you've not helped another person grow his own business. So the powerful sales personality recognizes that they don't work for any organization, they work for themselves. Number three, they have above average ambitions and desire to sell. They are eager to get their products out there because they know that the more people get their products, the more lives they're going to change, the more people they're going to impact. Selling is equal to serving. The more I sell, the more people I serve. The more people I serve, the more people I help. The more people I help, the more I make the world a better place. Do you know that if certain products or services were gotten to your parents on time, who knows? He may not be in this company right now. He may be living a totally different life. And who knows, if we get our products and our services fast enough to people who need it, it's an opportunity to change the world. Number four, they have high levels of empathy and concern for customers. They are genuinely concerned about customers. They want to help them. They put themselves in their clients' shoes so that they can be of help to them. Number five, they are intensely goal-oriented. They want to do everything to meet that goal that's before them. Number six, they have above average willpower. They are ready to go the extra mile to do what it takes to succeed. Number seven, they have the determination and willingness to work hard. They are ready to work hard, to put in the effort. What is hard work in sales? Going for meetings. Hard work in sales, going for meetings. It's not any other thing. Just putting all the efforts to get meetings. It's not selling on the phone. It's not engaging clients on the phone. We use the phone to book meetings, but the work begins when we get in for meetings. Number eight, they believe in themselves. They believe in their products. They believe in their services. They believe in their company. A powerful sales personality will not be angry at his boss. If your boss has offended you in the past, forgive your boss. Begin a new state so that you can have confidence in your company, you can have confidence in yourself and confidence in your products as well. Number nine, they are always absolutely honest with themselves and with other people. They are honest with themselves. If you know that this person you're engaging, you're not going to close because the person doesn't have the money, why adding his name to your list of prospects? Be honest with yourself. If you know that this person doesn't have the financial capacity to buy your product or service, don't bother adding his name on your list. Don't waste your time. Be honest with yourself. You know the people who can really afford to buy your products or services, and you know the people who are currently interested. Focus on them for now. Don't just put names there and say to yourself, don't worry, they'll buy one day. No, be absolutely honest with yourself. Number 10, they have the ability to turn strangers to friends wherever they go. They know how to build rapport very quickly. They know how to find common ground very quickly. They know how to be able to align themselves with their clients and build trust very quickly.